new AI YouTube niche that's getting millions of views. Some channels started only weeks ago and already have thousands of subscribers, so I decided to test it myself. For the next 30 days, I will post AI videos in this niche and see if it actually makes money. But before we start, I actually decided not to post this niche on YouTube or monetize it here. You might be wondering why. Well, my goal is to grow and monetize faster. So I decided to test this niche on TikTok instead. As you probably know, the TikTok creativity program pays creators for views, which makes it a great platform to scale quickly. That's why for this experiment, I'm focusing on TikTok instead of YouTube. So now let's break down exactly what type of videos these are and how we can create them 100% for free until I start making money from TikTok. If we go back to this channel and start analyzing these videos one by one, you'll quickly notice that they are AI-generated cinematic construction videos. Alright, now that we've seen what type of videos these are, the question is, how can we create them for free? The idea for this video actually came from another creator I saw on YouTube. He explained how to make these videos, but he only showed the process. So I decided to take it a step further, actually create the videos myself and test whether this method really works or not. Now go to your ChatGPT account and paste this prompt. You will find the prompt in the video description. Copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. After that, ChatGPT will give you several video scripts. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate more than just 10 scripts if you want. But wait, we're not finished yet. After ChatGPT gives you these scripts, pick one that you like and copy only the title. Then paste it again into ChatGPT and press enter. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT gives us a full detailed script based on that title. It includes the headline and all the scenes we will need. Alright, now we're done with ChatGPT. Let's move to the next step. Next, open your browser and search for Flow. We're going to use this website to generate all the images for the scenes in our video. Simply paste the prompt that ChatGPT generated, press enter, and let Flow create all the images we need. Important note, when you paste the second prompt for the second scene, make sure to upload the first image first. This will allow Flow to generate the second scene based on the same colors and style as the first image. Now, after we've generated all our videos, we'll move on to some basic and easy editing. For me, I will use Adobe Premiere Pro, but you can also use CapCut since it's free and easy to use. The general idea of the editing process is simple. Combine all these clips into one video, add some background music, and include an overlay text title like Part 1 Building My Home or something similar based on your niche. Now guys, since we have everything we need, we will move to the posting step, which is the most important process. As I said before, I will be using TikTok. Now let's move to my TikTok account. Now guys, the process is simple. Open TikTok and go to your account, try to set a good profile picture, then upload your video. After that, write a good viral title. You can easily get one from ChatGPT. Just go back to the previous chat where we created the scenes and ask ChatGPT to generate a good title with some TikTok tag. Alright guys, the video is now live. I'm gonna wait until tomorrow and then we'll come back to see how many views it got and whether this method actually works or not. After posting the video, I waited 24 hours to see the result. Then I came back to check my TikTok account and the result was nothing. The video only got 3 views. I waited another day and the views slowly increased to 8 views. Then the next day it reached 9 views in total. So clearly the growth was extremely slow. I also tried uploading the same video on a YouTube channel, but surprisingly it got 0 views. Literally no views at all. But this doesn't mean the method doesn't work. It could be because my TikTok account already had a warning before, which might have affected the reach. So next week, I'm gonna repeat the same experiment from the beginning, but this time with a different niche, a brand new TikTok account. And if I get better results, I'll post a short update video showing exactly what happened. So if you enjoy these real experiments and the transparency, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which online method I should test next. And I'll see you in the next experiment.